Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the column that contains dashes and making a quick backup on another sheet. That prevents accidental data loss. Once done, decide whether you want a permanent replace or a formula that preserves originals. Select the target cells or the whole column so changes apply uniformly. You choose method based on downstream needs. Formulas for reversible cleaning, direct replace for fast fixes. Make sure no merged cells or filters hide rows before proceeding, because those block consistent results. You now perform the actual removal. For reversible changes, type equals substitute A2 and fill down. That strips every dash while keeping other characters. For a permanent edit, press Home, Find and select Replace, enter and find and leave Replace blank, then Replace All. That directly alters cells. Once formulas look correct, copy the cleaned column and paste values to replace formulas with results. Make sure formatting like dates or phone masks are preserved by checking sample rows first. You finish by verifying that cleaned values behave as expected. Sort a sample range, reapply number or date formats if Excel misinterpreted results, and remove unwanted leading or trailing spaces with equals trim, cell if necessary. If you used formulas, replace them with paste values to lock changes. If something goes wrong, like negative signs or coded ID altered, immediately restore from your backup. Then adjust approach. Restrict replace to specific range or use more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.